The book of Job, chapter 1, verse 1 to 22. Satan tested Job. There was a man named Job living in the land of Uz, who worshipped God and was faithful to him. He was a good man, careful not to do anything evil. He had 7 sons and 3 daughters, and owned 5,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, 1,000 head of cattle, and 500 donkeys. He also had a large number of servants and was the richest man in the East. Job's sons used to take it in turn to give a feast, to which all the others would come, and they always invited their 3 sisters to join them. The morning after each feast, Job would get up early and offer sacrifice for each of his children in order to purify them. He always did this because he thought that one of them might have sinned by insulting God unintentionally. When the day came for the heavenly being to appear before the Lord, Satan was there among them. The Lord asked him, "What have you been doing?" Satan answered, "I have been walking here and there, roaming round the earth. Did not notice my servant Job?" Lord asks, "There is no one on earth as faithful and good as he is. He worships me and is careful not to do anything evil." Satan replied, "Would Job worship you if he got nothing out of it? You have always protected him and his family and everything he owns. You bless everything he does, and you have given him enough cattle to fill the whole country. But now, suppose you take away everything he has, he will curse you to your face." "All right," the Lord said to Satan, "everything he has is in your power, but you must not hurt Job himself." So Satan left. Job's son and wealth are destroyed. One day when Job's children were having feast at the home of their eldest brother, a messenger came running to Job. "We were plowing the fields with the ox," he said, "and the donkey were in a nearby pasture. Suddenly the Sabaean attacked and stole them all. They killed every one of your servants except me. I am the only one who escaped to tell you." Before he had finished speaking, another servant came and said, "Lightning struck the sheep and the shepherd and killed them all. I am the only one who escaped to tell you." Before he had finished speaking, another servant came and said, "3 bands of Chaldeans riders attacked us, took away the camel and killed all your servants except me. I am the only one who escaped to tell you." Before he had finished speaking, another servant came and said, "Your children were having a feast at the home of your eldest son when a storm whipped in from the desert. It blew the home down and killed them all. I am the only one who escaped to tell you." Then Job stood up and tore his clothes. In grief, he shaved his head and threw himself face downward on the ground. He said, "I was born with nothing and I will die with nothing. The Lord gave and now he has taken away. May his name be praised." In spite of everything that had happened, Job did not sin by blaming God. Amen.